Hi, my name is Kalei Johnson. I'm graduating in May with an associate's degree in Welding Technology. I chose Craven Community College over going to any other colleges, mainly because of the convenience in location. What I was most nervous about before my first semester here was my age. I kind of figured that a lot of the students here would be coming straight here after high school, and I'm in my late 30s. So that's what I was most nervous about, was getting along with the students here, my fellow classmates, being able to relate to them. I've been in the Coast Guard for the 17 years prior to that, so it's a very different atmosphere as far as relating to people and getting along with others. I chose Welding Technology as my career path because of its versatility. I could use it for a means to express myself artistically, and also what it's mainly used for, which is the structural integrity of metal framing of houses or fuel tanks. I found my community with the welding students here at Craven Community College because they felt the most familiar to me. I spent 17 years in the United States Coast Guard after I graduated from high school, and they felt most like home. The students in the welding program felt like home to me. The resource that helped me out the most here, I would say, is financial aid. The curriculum itself of the course is hard enough and stressful enough, so any bit of financial relief I could get helped tremendously. My welding instructor introduced me to SkillsUSA. I did not know what it was, and he further explained it, and he told me there was different categories as far as welding is concerned. There's welding fabrication and welding sculpture that I could compete in. Welding sculpture caught my attention because it was an opportunity for me to express my artistic side for welding. Winning first place in SkillsUSA North Carolina means so much to me. There's only a handful of times that I've ever competed in anything, and this is honestly the second time that I've won first place in anything that I've competed in. What I'm most excited for leading up to the national competition in Atlanta, Georgia, is to see the creativity from the other competitors. As someone who appreciates art, I like to see art from everyone. The feeling of getting handed my associate's degree in welding technology from Craven Community College is going to be one of complete accomplishment. I didn't go to college right after high school like a lot of my other peers, so I kind of felt like I didn't have the college experience that they did when they had it. But to be here now, it's like I got a golden ticket. I accomplished what I wanted to. When things got difficult, what kept me going was my children. My son is 15 years old right now, and he's at that very influential age. So to have him see me push through the hard times and succeed would mean a lot to him. What I would tell someone who thinks they don't belong in college is, think again. You will find people that you get along with, people that you belong to here at college. There are people from all walks of life here, all different backgrounds. You will find your people.